Boracay Island. Do some island hopping. Do a bit of snorkeling. See some marine life, and we're going to visit Puka Beach. An absolutely stunning place.
I love this place.
Stations 2 outside our hotel, and Boracay Beach of course. We're going to have some family fun.
My God.
Some swimming. Few boat trips. Check out the sunset.
I've signed the waiver. We're boat trip ready. It's time. This is our boat. Oh, I love walking on these. Here we are. This is our boat. We've got our own boat.
So now for the bed for sightseeing, and then we go snorkeling.
Yep.
And then finish snorkeling, we go Puka Beach.
Last stop, Puka Beach, which is
Right now going to Crocodile Island.
amazing apparently.
Wow.
Fried chicken on the boat. It's not a bad life, is it? We're gonna have to go on one of them. When we go on the jet skis and stuff, we'll use one of them speedboats to get there. So we will have a go on them.
Magic Island.
Magic Island?
Yeah, that's right.
That one's Magic Island. That is Crocodile Island over there.
Magic Island.
That's Magic Island. We're going to go cliff diving there.
Yeah.
Yeah. For now, we're going to chill here for a little bit. Check out Crystal Cove.
Dito talaga sir, mainit dito eh.
Okay, we're going Coral Gardens to do some snorkeling. Speaking of coral, look at this souvenir I found from Crystal Cove. How nice is that? Not as sad as stamp collecting, but I find it useful. Okay, so you can't go in the water with this snorkel. Right, bike your back flip, right? Okay, we're going to Puka Beach now. Puka Beach, which means something else in Tagalog. but if you know, you know. If you don't know, then just get to know when you come to the Philippines. You know, because it's snorkel, you can only breathe. You can breathe slowly through the snorkel. So when you're out of breath, you're trying to chase fish that are fast, just for the camera. I'm trying to video, and I'm trying to do all this with one hand. That was tiring. So we'll get some better shots when we go scuba diving. So FYI for the GoPros, is supposed to be waterproof up to 10 metres. But if it does go in the side door where the battery goes, you might ruin your camera or your memory card. And if you've got, you know, like me, like 2 weeks worth of memories all locked into that memory card, if that goes, it'll be gutted. So what I've done, I've invested in one of these extra waterproof cases. So you literally put the GoPro in, flip the door shut, clamp, and boom. What an amazing day.
Lovely life. Every year we're coming back to the Philippines. Next year we'll do Palawan, maybe a couple of weeks, El Nido, and a few other places. So we'll definitely, you know, definitely wait for them videos to come. So that's Boracay Beach over there. This is Sinafal. These are where some of the rich guys live. But this right here, with all these caves and the cliff diving area, all this area here, used to be Manny Pacquiao's house. Station Zero, Crimson Beach, Crimson Hotel. A night. Yeah. The cheapest you'll get here is about 20,000 pesos a night, which is not that bad. It's not too bad. How much for one of them at the top of the hill? For the villa at the top of the hill. One night is about 30,000, which is still not that bad, to be honest, to have a villa at the top of that hill. We've done some travelling on this vlog, mate. I swear. We've covered some miles, I tell you. From Bohol to London to Shanghai, no, Shenzhen, China, to Manila, to Seoul, to 100 Islands, Pangasinan, to La Union, back to Manila, to Boracay. If you want to see these special places, you've got to put in the work, you know. You got to do the travelling time. To Puka Beach. Well, we shouldn't waste any time. Let's get on there. Oh, wow. My God, this place is beautiful. Just look at the sand, though. Look at this. My God. Oh, this place is paradise. Not many people here. Yay! Whoa, that's a bit far. Hello. Hey, you baby. Whoa, careful. Okay, back down here. Hey! Hey, stop it, don't drink in it. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. No! Silly boy, you can't drink it. Most of the activities are in Station 2, where we've got our hotel, so you've got all the clubs, the bars and everything's going on there. We'll go for Station 1 and we'll walk down to the hotel because we've not seen it yet. So. And maybe today I'll actually get a haircut, because look at me, I need a bloody shave.
People in Station 1.
Yeah. So this is the start of Station 1. I mean, look at this sand, mate. Come on. Come on now. And look. That's why they call it the White Sand Beach. I'm not sure if the camera does this justice, but look. That white, pure sand. You don't get sand like that anywhere else, mate. Look at that. And white feet, look. That is the finest, that sand is like powder. Like powder, look. Fortune plants. Ah, cool. Good. Very good. Okay, I'm okay. There's a bar I know that's quite suitable for everybody, you know. These streets can be wild. As a single man, it's a different type of place. As a family man, you know, you need to find the right places. In Station 2, which is coming up right now, which does amazing food and has live music. This is the one. This is the place. This is called Casa Pillar Beach Resort. So scratch that as a wedding. We're not allowed in. 2,000 pesos, can't change their mind. So we move on. So I just found this cheeky back street. This place is popping. Loads of food, cheap food. Yeah, this place is popping. What you saying, man? You good, yeah? Alright, man. This place is absolutely popping. Yeah, man. This place is absolutely popping. Yeah, man, good. This place is popping. Everyone's super friendly, yeah. We're in the back streets. Oh, one moment. We're looking for some food, yeah. My guy just recommended. Yo, big fucking cockroach, big cockroach. Fuck off. This guy just recommended. Excuse the cockroach. Oh my god. Well, I'm not sure if I can carry on speaking now, but man, it happens here, mate. Don't get disturbed. We've got 2 pieces of fried chicken with some of this proper sweet and spicy sweet chili sauce. If you want, it comes from chicken feet. Or my missus got herself one of these. She's like chicken and peppers. Excuse the massive cockroach right then. Oh my god. But it is good. It is good. This is a different world, bro. Cockroaches are around. So all this food is off the floor and it's being cooked right there, yeah? The fire will kill that, mate. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it. This shit is nice, honestly. But, you know, I've had some gin and I'm going to dance and I'm hungry. So, you know, I don't care what you think. I'm eating it and it's fucking peng. So, I'm going to dance after.